Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in iQIYI account. So first of all, launch up an iQIYI application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here iQIYI application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find several icons over here. Simply tap on the Me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. At the top of this interface, you'll be able to find the option for login or sign up. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the login methods over here. You can either log in with password or you can also log in via SMS. You can also continue with Google, continue with Facebook or continue with TikTok. So simply tap on the login method that you used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to tap on the option login with password. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll have to enter your email or mobile number and you'll have to enter your password. So first of all, enter your email or mobile number. Here I'm just going to enter my email. Once you do that, enter your password. If you've forgotten your password, you can tap on the option recover password and you'll be able to recover it. Otherwise, simply enter your password over here. Now after you enter the credentials, what you have to do is tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Go through the security detection. Now you can see over here you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in iQIYI account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.